Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics, a high-speed HDMI cable and the correct input. Once done, enable game mode or low latency to cut processing delay, which often causes perceived blur. Now navigate to Settings, Picture, Expert, then Auto Motion Plus. You do this because motion interpolation and frame processing live here. They influence blur and judder. Make sure to leave a few minutes between changes so you can judge each adjustment in real time. You now refine motion controls. If Auto Motion Plus is available, try off, then clear, then custom to hear and see differences. This helps you weigh blur versus soap opera effect. In custom, lower blur reduction towards 0 to prevent unnatural smoothing and set judder reduction low to stop frame cadence distortion. Also disable noise reduction and MPEG noise because they overprocess fast scenes. Make these changes while playing a fast-moving test clip so you can instantly see the impact. You finish by testing across content types, film at 24 frames per second and sports at 60 frames per second, checking for judder and ghosting. Make small trade-offs until motion looks natural. If problems persist, update your TV firmware and swap HDMI ports or cables to rule out signal issues. As a last resort, perform a picture factory reset. If you still see blur, contact support. Common hardware faults or a failing panel can produce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.